Welcome to Stardew Valley. So right now I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. So this is my farm. It's called Starfire Farm. Year 3, day 8 of summer, so not super far in. I have been playing this for 74 hours, so very long time. So yeah, and that's how much money I have is 14,673. And my name is Nick, short for Nicole, obviously. So yeah, here we go. I'm playing on my Switch, so I got an Elgato. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so here we are. This is my house. I have this bedroom with the star flooring, this little amethyst carpet. Let's check the TV. Living off the land. Welcome to Living Off the Land. We're back at it with another tip for y'all. Now listen up. Let's talk corn. It's an unusual crop because it lasts for 2 seasons. That's right, while most crops die when the season changes, corn lives on. You can grow it in both summer and fall. Now get out there and plant some corn. Okay, I'm a fortune teller. Spirits are displeased. Ooh, okay. This is my little chicken. This is my chest. So, I try to keep it organized. So these are all my gems. This one is like swords and clothes and furniture, rings and stuff. And this one's kind of miscellaneous, like leftover. And then I have this. Oh, I have this fridge. Stuff in it. I need to take that out because I need it. And then I have this other fridge, but it's empty. So yeah, that's my kitchen. I have this banner, which is really cute. Painting. So this is my farm. This is my house. I have these little bear things and little Junimo guy. This thing makes bait, and let me just put it in there. So these are all my fish chests. Fishing chests, I guess I should say. And this is where I get my coffee every morning. This thing has trash in it. This is for making alcohol. And this is my fruit, alcohol, and trash chest, and extra coffee in case I need it. So then some days I just take stuff out of there. I haven't used this yet, and this is like my smelting area, so I have all my geodes and wood and stuff. I only have 2 iridium bar and 8 iridium ore, so I'm still working on that. I was bringing these to the guy, whatever his name is, blacksmith guy, and then I just unlocked the desert. So, the Calico Desert, I saw you needed it for some stuff, so that's what that's for. This is making more diamonds. These are my, like, tree smelty things. Smelting things, I don't know what they're called. I have another collector over here, too. So then these are my farming chests. This is my farm. I tried to sort it by season, so these are sorted by season. That one that I was just at was summer. This one, winter, and this one is like extra stuff I'm working on. I have these trees. They're not fully grown yet. And then down here, my little ore farm. I have a well in my farm right here. So I have sprinklers for most areas. And scarecrows everywhere. It's ready. What is it ready? What? Is it ready? It's not ready? Okay, I thought it was. It is. I can never tell when stuff is ready. Okay, I'm trying to get some watermelons. So there's like 1,000,000 watermelons in here. Yeah, that's my scarecrows. And this is just like seeds and random like crop things. I have a cat. I'm gonna put this all in there for now. That's my cat, Kirby. Hi, Kirby. Okay, and then in here in the cave, I chose mushrooms in here instead of fruit bats, and I have skeleton, the little crystal. This thing sings when you touch it. And cactus. Kirby again, and over here are my farms, my animal farms. So grab this. So I usually get a cheese and a mayo every day. This one is Moon. And then I have lots of chickens. So this is Jeff. That was my first one. This one's French Fry. This one is new. This is Dumpling. He's a baby. And he's a duck, I think. Burrito 17. This one, oh, this one is Firecracker. He is a duck. This one's Brownie. And then down here is Marshmallow. These are my fish. So I put ghost fish in here, and I'm really struggling getting cave carrots. So they've been wanting 5 cave carrots for like forever, like a whole year technically. Oh, okay. And then did I show you? This one is Moo Bloom. I'm gonna go into here. So this is for the cows, where the cows sleep. And that's how they eat, is their hay, and they do have a heater right there. And this one is for the birdies. So they have an upgraded one, so they have more space for food. Give me some eggs. And I forget how you... Oh, that was the wrong egg. Wait, was it? No, that was the right egg. Okay, I have an animal. I mean, well, I can't talk. A duck egg. I need a duck feather. And I don't know how to get one. We'll figure that out later. So then, put this in here, that in there, and put this back. So usually I sell most eggs and milk and all this stuff. So I'm gonna go and sell that stuff. I have a bunch in there. And then, oh. And they usually eat the grass. And these trees don't have, this one usually has fruit. It's the only one that's had fruit so far. I have 2 candles lit. That's important. And then this is my lightning rod, which is giving me a battery pack all of one time. I think that's like my whole farm. Pretty much. I'll go over here and sell this stuff. So I sell the cheese, I sell the mayo, I sell that. Oh, no, wait! You just sold my only duck egg. Okay, that was so sad. That's fine. That's my first duck egg, but it's gone. Okay, so I had these geodes in my pocket. Sorry. Oh, these are my tools. Steel Falcon? I've just been saying Falcon. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's a level 8 sword. Steel pickaxe, steel axe, copper hoe. I just bought this, so I haven't really used it yet. It's an iridium rod, scythe, copper pan, and those are my geodes. And, okay, hold on. So there's a lot to show you. So, these are my levels. So I am a profesh forager. I'm level 8 miner, 9 farmer, 8 fishing. I'm not too hot in the combat department. And I have a rusty key, skull key, magnifying glass, and bear's knowledge. These are my clothes. I have glowstone rings, so that gives me light. The ruby ring increases my attack because I need it. I need space boots, so 4 defense, 4 immunity, some regular shorts, my heart shirt, and a daisy in my hair. So then these are my relationships so far. So Elliot is my boyfriend. I chose him because in real life I'm a writer, and Elliot is a writer, so I thought that would be cool. I just gave him the flowers, like not that many days ago. Linus, we also have 10 hearts. We're besties. I was also going to choose, or not also, but like choosing between Elliot and Abigail, so she's up pretty high too. But in the end, I chose Elliot just because, I don't know, I thought the writing thing was pretty cool. But Abigail, I think, is really cool too. So I do want to be her friend and get 10 hearts. At first, I was choosing Alex, but then it turned out that I don't like him and he's kind of mean to me and a little bit sexist. Demetrius, Jody, Sebastian, I do want to be better friends with as well. Clint, Marnie, Lewis, Sam, who is actually pretty low, and I feel like I should be his friend more too. Pam, Robin, Caroline, Emily. Trying to be friends with the wizard. I give him a purple mushroom every now and again. Gus, Harvey, Shane. It's hard for Shane to love. Lily, Evelyn, Penny, Leah, Vincent. I do want to become friends with Vincent. I don't remember why, but there's something in his room I think that I need. Maru. Her dad like scared me off, so you know, Kent I don't like. I don't know why, but he just like showed up out of the blue one day and I was like, who are you? Jazz, George, Haley I really hate. I hate Haley. She's so mean to me. Oh, Pierre. I'm so sorry, Pierre. We have 0 hearts. Krobus I just met. The dwarf, I'm so confused. I don't even know how to talk to him. Sandy I just met as well, because I just unlocked the Calico Desert. But I do like her. And I think she's cool, so yeah. Some of my stuff. You guys can like pause the video and look through this stuff if you want. I'm sure you'll see it in future videos. Have a lot of secret notes. And yeah, that's it. Okay, that's all my info. It's now 1:50 p.m. And this I think is the steel trash can. So I upgraded that as well. So that's my whole farm. That's Starfire. And then this is just regular game stuff, really. Oh, I do have the tracker, so like stuff that I can forage pops up as a little arrow on my screen. Go in here. Hey friend, let's process these geodes. 5 copper. Ooh. Ruby? Oh no, fire quartz. What's that? Salt. Okay. Tiger's eye. Do I have that? Ooh. Nope. That was lame. Okay, let's talk. I feel like we talk to people. Be glad you're a farmer, Nick. It's nicer to work outdoors than by a hot furnace all day. Aw, poor guy. So I haven't unlocked very many secrets. I'm going to get such a nice tan this summer. I hate you. Haley's so mean. Hey, nice tan. See, and they're just perfect for each other. Like, I couldn't interrupt that vibe, you know? They just go so well. Ooh, some JoJo Cola. Oh, I guess I'll show you my museum. So, let's see. Go in here. It's pretty full. So, I was trying to organize it, but I don't know. So, these are like my gems. That's like the tool area. These are my dwarf scrolls, so I still need the 4th one. Oh, I need that gadget. The blue one, like right in front of me. Yeah, I guess I can point with this arrow. It's so hard on a controller. This, I need one of those for, it's to build something. It's the, what is it, this? Farm computer. I need a dwarf gadget. And this is the only one that I've ever found, and it's in the museum. So I need to find another one of those. These are like ocean things. That's like these thingies. I don't know what anything is called. And then I don't know what the heck this stuff is. So yeah, that's my museum. I don't think I'm anywhere really close to finishing it. But that's what you get. So yeah. Let's go over here. Oh, so the green arrow is for my copper pan. Pan stuff. Thing close enough. Hey Sam. Hey, how's it going? I'm hungry. See you later. I love the dialogue in this game. Not in that specific instance, but usually. Copper ore. Okay. And I feel like there's a lot of places that I still haven't been in this game. Sneakily eat some trash. Well, I guess not eat it, but you know. Let's go check out Pierre's. No, he's not working. Found some wild fruits this morning. Sorry, I don't have any left. Keep looking, I'm sure you'll find something. I've got summer seeds available, you better stock up. Okay, and then I just discovered the tea room, which I didn't know was a thing. On Wednesdays the shop is closed. Good to know. Yeah, I didn't know that the tea room was a thing. And then I just walked in here for the first time, like the other day. And then she was in here, and we had like our heart event, I think, or something like that. I don't know. She gave me a tea sapling, so that is planted on my farm. I have no idea which tree it is. Oh, what is happening? Not mean to do that. And I do have all 3 backpack slots. Yeah, I do have these crab pots over here. I don't have any trash with me. Don't turn around. Okay. That gives me so much anxiety. Please don't look at me. I'm disgusting. Okay, in the sewer, I don't have much in sewer. I don't really have anything, so Krobus is down there. And that's it. I haven't bought anything from him yet. Let's see. Need some crystals. Okay, we'll do this one. This, bone is hard to get. I usually just accept those, but I don't always do them. Let's show you what this stuff is. So that's the oh my god. That was a lot of things. Ruby, topaz, emerald, jade, and amethyst. I think I have those. These are probably not gonna happen. I'm not getting 100 melon. I still need to reach level 25 in the Skull Caverns. I think I haven't even gotten to like 5. Catch a lingcod, so I need to bring that, but I think the only time you can catch a lingcod is in winter, if I'm not mistaken. And then the mayor needs truffle oil. So I need pigs, I think. I don't know if that's right, but usually I'm a cheater, so I look up what to do when I'm confused. Hey buddy, looks like decent weather for fishing today. I just assume that that's what he talks like. I'm gonna do that. Some bait in here. I have a bunch at home, I just didn't bring it. Plus Elliot lives out on this beach, which is cute and nice. Oh, there he is, my love. Hi, Nick, I know you have faith in my abilities as a writer. That means a lot to me. Aw, that's so cute. Can I give you anything? What do you want? I don't think you want any of this. Oh, you like coffee. This is for me? Marvelous. Okay, let's go over here. See if there's looting to be done. Don't think there is. There was a guy over here with a amulet when it was raining, so I don't know. So I guess I'm ready to propose to Elliot. Or does he have to propose to me? I don't know. So our heart event, we went out on the boat and we smooched and it was so cute. But, yeah, I'm a little confused about posing. I don't really understand how that works. So this is Krobus. Please don't be alarmed. I'm different than the others. I spend a lot of time observing humans. I know you like to shop. Care to see my wares? Yeah, I do care. See, that star job looks delicious to me. And that return scepter is going to be a crazy game changer. But I need a lot of money first. So I'm pretty close for the star drop. I only need 6,000 more, which probably is not going to happen this day, but okay. Yeah, so that's what he has. And then this guy, he can change professions, but I don't think I want to do that. I don't know who would want to do that. So, and then that other door I can't get out of. Well, I can go this way though. So this one, I'll show you what happens. It scares me. Some kind of force field blocking your path. And then this one goes out to the sewer. And this is Trash Bear. We love Trash Bear. We stand him. But he wants that thing, and I have no idea what that is. And I do not have it unlocked to craft. So, we're kind of screwed until I think he changes what he wants, like, the next season. I'm pretty sure. So, I think we're just gonna wait until the season changes. So that way, we can see if it'll be something that we have. This is the hat mouse. This is where I got my little daisy. Oh, it's a trucker hat now. Yeah, I don't really like any of these though. I always come and look at the hat mouse, but I usually don't buy anything. And then this is the secret forest. But it's nighttime and I don't want to go in there, so we'll go in there another day. But yeah, sometimes there's a little thingy over here, a little cart that sells me nice goodies. It's not there tonight. And this goes back up to my farm. So that's pretty much it. You can also go through this path if you wanted to go that way. Oh, and I forgot to show you, that's my silo down here. And this little pond to fish in. The silo collects my hay for my animals to eat. And I also have this bear statue. So yeah, I think that's all of my farm. So let's put all this junk away. Let's see what we can sell. Sell that. I don't think I need granite for anything. Oh, I guess I need to give that to Gunther. Okay, I'll keep the rest of this. Oh, I need to give that to Gunther too. No, wait. Stop. Oh my god. I need to stop doing that today. The salt. I think I have the salt already. It's getting late. Alright, put some trash in there. Over here. And there's Kirby sleeping on my bed, and let's go to sleep for the night. Alright. 2,683, that's pretty good. There's a cute little house at the bottom. Day 9 of summer.